Yeah.
Yo, who the f is this nigga talking to? You heard that? Oh,
I heard a little bit.
This nigga said, "Give me the black guy right now." Decline.
Oh, you in game? You can hear from game chat from your. Oh.
Yeah, this dumb nigga. The f Yo, how do I go in the game chat? Give me a second, Sean. Nigga, eat a
Hell?
eat a mic is back. It'll be gone in the next 5 minutes.
All right, we here, man. We here. I said, who you pick? The black nigga, right? Yeah, this nigga always pick the black nigga. He don't like white people.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What is wrong with you, bro? There's no other way out.
Yo, this shit ain't fair, bro. My mic cut out as soon as you said that, bro. I can't even rebuttal. Anywho, and niggas already know what's up. Yo, it's me.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I'm finna grab this healing shit because, nigga, I'm a G. Hold up. Oh, Sean, I'm by a door, by the way.
I am too.
I'm about to pick this.
They don't need no bones. They don't need no bones, man. We don't need no bones. All right, here we go. Here we go. This nigga is by me. All right. Hurry up, bro. I need to get another one. Come on, bro.
Is that you?
Oh,
Julie.
all right. I'm going through.
Her name, Julie?
I'm going fucking through. Sean, did you bring that nigga to me?
No, I'm right here with what's the white nigga name?
Fucking Jacob.
Yeah, that's his name.
No, nigga, I didn't know the nigga's name, bro. I was just saying.
And why would you lie like that, bro?
Nigga, no. Nigga, this nigga is a dumb. Oh, eat a bag of dicks, nigga.
Open the door, nigga.
Oh my god.
Stay still, yo. What you doing? Stay still. What are you?
Cause the nigga's right behind me. Ah! Somebody help! Help! Help me! Hey man, that's racist. I just want this nigga to know that. You can't kill me because I'm black.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
White bitch!
Y'all hear this man mic cutting out?
Oh! Eat it! No!
It sound like he actually dying.
Nigga! Move, nigga! Get out!
Grown man, by the way.
Oh my god! Oh, that was close. Niggas put my b****s in a twist.
What?
Don't do that, nigga! F me from the side and call me Sharinda. Oh my god, nigga, I am sweating. Oh wow. All right, Sean. I think the coast is clear. Nigga, why is Bubba next to me again? Oh my days, man. Hold up.
You gonna get out of here?
Sean, is that you with the fat ass?
Stop it. Get some help.
What?
Did you just close the door?
I'm not. I just opened the door. Come on. Kick it with them nasty ass toes, girl. Come on, girl. Get your toes done. Come on. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get your nails done, get your toes done, get your eyebrows done. Get some new clothes, cause these clothes ain't it, baby girl.
Sean, this is the 1970s. What the f do you think was fashionable back then?
No!
Oh shit, I'm by a well.
He's here. Somebody's here. No, No, she's turning the trap back on, bro. No, she just poisoned it.
All right, Sean. I'm going upstairs.
Whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. The electric thing, whatever it's called.
Give me a second.
Trap.
Okay, I see where you're at.
Bro, she's just standing right here, bro. Yo, can you just leave? Leave. What are you doing here? Just leave. I want to leave. I want to go home.
All right. Oh, fuck you, you chicken bitch. You gonna fucking cluck while I'm fucking around, nigga? Eat a.
Did she leave? Can she leave? No, she's right here. She's right here. Bro, can she leave, bro? I'm not here no more.
Oh, God! Nigga, just let me walk into death! Ah! My life! Run, nigga.
How did she lose me, though? Like, I didn't go nowhere. Like, I literally went behind the grass.
Well,
And then she left. She left. Never mind. She closed the door. Bro, she's.
Oh, come on, man! It's because I'm black! Sean!
Yeah, you call my name like I can help.
Huh?
I'm trying
Nigga!
to find a way out.
Oh, come on, man! Gotta go for the white nigga. Sorry, the black nigga will not die today. Oh, sorry about that. Sean, I just made somebody die. Do I feel bad about it? Not at all. I took the fuse. I'm ready to go. Oh, you gotta be shitting me, man! Oh, no, I ain't going that way. Sean, I'm about to put the fuse downstairs. Where you at? That nigga's dead.
No, she missed me again. Let's go.
That nigga is dead. How do I get over there then?
Yeah, I'm at a gas station one. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna try to come on through that way.
But she's like over here just camping.
Oh, I see her.
Where she at?
Oh, eat it.
Don't come.
Oh, guess what? Wanna round on your bitch? That's right. Yeah, cause I'm black. Oh, you. I'm in a well. I'm in a fucking well again, Sean. I'm gonna escape through the bottom.
Who escaped?
No, but that nigga lucky as shit. Bro, I'm down in this underpass and I'm trying to figure out how to
Picking a lot. No! Come on, bro! Run! Oh.
You just jumped down the fucking well?
Had to, bro.
Alright, Sean, I'm going back downstairs then. I gotta.
Bro, I have a way out, bro.
What, upstairs or downstairs?
The door. I was picking a lot, bro, and they got me right when I got to the middle.
Nigga, I'm coming to meet you downstairs. What, isn't there like 3 doors that are open down here?
I'm at East Cell.
I'm in house basement.
Oh, you're in the house.
Sean, I see you. Stay right there. Come on. It's this way.
Oh, man. Had a way out. These niggas called me at this. Which way did you go, nigga?
Nigga, go straight. I told you follow me.
Nigga, I can't see you running and stuff, nigga. Oh, see stuff.
I gotta heal up, though. This some bullshit if you ask me. And you gonna see the doors open right here. Oh, f. You not going that way?
They're right there.
There's another one around us.
How did this happen?
It's literally we gotta run down.
Not right now. Go.
All right, come on. It's down here. All right, we're right here.
Go.
All right, you want to go up the ladder first? Go up the ladder first. Them niggas is really camping. Hey, do you still have a tool? Oh, what the fuck? You hear that? Nigga is right outside the. Oh my god.
Come this way.
All right.
Alright, stay still, stay still. Oh, Grandpa, shut up.
Alright.
You're gonna get out, okay?
Yo,
You will, Julie.
you hear this bitch talking to herself? Yo, take the valve.
It's over there, it's over there, it's over there. I don't got no blood for you, but I do got some sugar for you.
Oh. Oh my god.
Alright.
Alright, let's get it.
Stay hiding in the bush.
Oh, you said stay hiding in the bush?
Yeah.
Alright.
We going go back over there.
We gotta go.
Stay right here, stay right here, stay right here.
Alright.
When you hear that valve, that means the door's open. We gonna make a run for it, nigga.
Alright.
You got a lot of health?
Yeah, the nigga is right behind us, and he's.
I see him, I
open.
see him, I see him. He's stunned.
Yeah,
He's stunned.
yeah, I got a lot of health, Sean. He can see us.
No,
Wait.
chill, bro. Chill. Oh. They think
it
we
ready?
over there?
Yeah, they're all
No,
the way over.
let's move. This health thing right there too. Just walk back. Oh, chicken.
I know.
All right, the door's right here.
Sean, they're right behind us. Right behind us! Move, nigga! Hold up. I got it.
I said, why did you move,
Because he was right behind us.
bro? He wasn't gonna be able to see us, bro. You gotta calm down. Come on, man.
Yo, this
Let's get down, man. We spectating now.
Yo, this is this happens to me.
Bro, I told you to stay still, bro. They're not gonna. Yo, I'm telling you, bro. They walk straight past you, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
It's my turn.
All right. I said, take over the commentary.
All right.
Hello there.
On the opposite direction. There she is.
Go.
Is that the door?
Yeah, let's go right there. No! Damn.
Nigga Bubba. Yo, like who the f just guards the f door like a see bitch?